normally these months of the year you see a little bit of a slowdown in sometimes, and I don't believe that this is representative to the things that we're pursuing. As a matter of fact, I do believe that according with the forecast that was being released since last year, in which they were thinking that we were going to grow between 3.6, 3.8, I actually believe that we're going to be around 4%.
But looking at the US just for a second, how concerned are you about an economic slowdown there? They're obviously remaining your most important trading partner by a long way. I mean, how much does that worry you?
What we're seeing is all the time their figures. They are also, fortunately, they are having better results than what they were expecting. And actually the forecast is 2.2, which is more than that they were forecasting at the beginning. So this is also good news for us. But at the same time, we're trying to be more and more competitive. So we need to be more competitive as a region. And we are very complementary economies. We are intensive in labor, they are intensive in capital, and what you are seeing is that more and more we are having, especially in the manufacturing areas, well, much better prices, much better cost.
Let's look at Europe for a second, which is still grappling with a debt crisis. What kind of impact does that have on Mexico and the Mexican economy?
Well, being the 10th largest exporter in the world, always when a crisis in any place happens, it does have an impact. Maybe that's also related when you are seeing the slowdown in many of the exports that we're having. But at the same time, what we need to do and what we have been doing, and I believe this is also something that has been working very good for us, is to grow in the places in which are going to demand more of your exports, and those places are the ones that are growing faster, as I was saying, Latin America and Asia.
Obviously China is the biggest player in Asia, and you're seeing an economy that's slowing down there as well. I mean, how does that factor into your decision making, do you think?
Let me tell you, what we're trying to do and what we have been trying to do always is to convert the threats or even the crisis into opportunities. And this has been working very well, especially in the macroeconomics of Mexico. What you are seeing is that there are many companies that were searching for opportunities into China, that migrated from Mexico in the past, that are already coming back. And this is because many of the costs in China are being increasing. So we are doing a lot in logistics, we are doing a lot, we have free trade agreements with 44 countries. So this is what we are trying to do, trying to make Mexico as a logistic node for imports, transforming those imports, making into exports. And this is what is really working on that relation.